Hey guys, Lily here, and today I am on top of my bunk bed. I'm on the top one, and today I am, as you can see, all these stuffed animals I have. Way too much. I'm going to be going through them, and we're going to be doing something. So let's do this. So what we have is my two twin monkeys. I don't know how I got them. They didn't come with each other. They're just two twin monkeys. And then I got this one from my grandpa for Christmas. This one for my birthday. And you probably could tell because this one's darker and that one's lighter. This one is a fox that we were going to put in the garage sale, but I didn't want them to. Here's one of my monkeys I got from Valentine's Day. This is also one of my teddy bears I got from Valentine's Day. And this is from right after I got my ears pierced. It's called a Beanie Bill. Its name is Brutus. I also got this Hearts monkey from Valentine's Day a long time ago. I got that furry monkey. I don't know where I got it from. I also got that. I don't know where I got it from. And then we also got this Alvin doll. I don't know where we got that from either. But then I got this for my birthday. And this from Kings Island. And then I got this cat from somewhere. And then I got this monkey that I have a brown one. Oh, I found it. Oh no, that's not it. Where's my brown monkey? That doesn't matter, but I have this orange monkey. I don't know where I got it from. So now we're going to be organizing all of these. So yeah, let's take everything off. I'll be right back. I'm getting that. Yes, I just jumped off my bunk bed. And yes, I got up from the side of it. Okay. I'll be right back. As you can't see, is that all my stuffed animals aren't on that side. They're on this side. Which means I'm laying this way. Okay, I'm laying this way. I was just kidding. But, so, you guys are going to get covered. So, don't worry. You will. So, let's start off with the pillows. You guys can barely start. Your guys are not going to be... I'm sticking you guys in there for no reason, literally. No reason. Oh, you guys went down. I can't see anything. You guys see me? Hello? You guys may be like, what? That's stupid putting your camera inside your stuffed animals. Like, how do you get them out? I don't know. Time for the twin brothers. The twin brothers are on top of you. The twin brothers are on top of you. And I'm yet still putting these up. And yes, I may be yelling, but I can't put the twin brothers on you, so you're lucky. Their feet can't be. There. Orange monkeys not going on you. You may be like, yay! And I'm like, no. Now I'm gonna put the 2 creepers inside. Where you guys were. You guys are right there. Okay, guys, I moved you because you guys are in the way, so not to be rude. You guys were in the way, so. Not this anymore. Oh, okay. Oh, I see now, and so like it flipped over. So there it is. Denim.